Next is the cutter diameter compensation on the right side. Here this is the start point of the cutter, and the path of the cutter is from this point through 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So cutter moves in the anti-clockwise direction. So the program is N001 G92 X0 Y0 Z0. G92 means absolute 0 point. So this is the 0 point. First the tool moves from this point to this point with cutter diameter compensation right. So N002 G90 means absolute positioning. G17 is XY plane selection. G00 G42 cutter diameter compensation right. D05 is the compensation X50 Y50. So cutter moves from this point to this point. So now here this is the position of the cutter. This is the point. Then from this point to this point, so the x coordinate is 200, y coordinate is 50. So N003 G01, G01 is linear interpolation, x200, y50, feed is 100. Then again go to from this point to this point, x is 200, y is 150. Then tool again moves to x is 50, y is 150, and tool moves from this point to this point, x50, y50. Finally the tool moves back to the start point, and finally the cutter diameter compensation is cancelled. So the code is N007 G00 G40. G40 means cutter diameter compensation cancel, x0 y0. So this is a typical example regarding the cutter diameter compensation in the right side. Thank you.